very cheerful morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Harsimrat Kaur, and my friend Akanksha Sharma are here to host Class 9th A's Assembly for this week.
Thank you, Harsimran, for a successful beginning and ending of everything. We pray to the God. So let's bow our head down in front of the Almighty and then start our assembly further.
भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम, नेकी पर चलें और बदी से टलें, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ये अंधेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा। ये अंधेरा घना छा रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा। हो रहा बेखबर, कुछ ना आता नजर, सुख का सूरज छिपा जा रहा। है तेरी रोशनी में जो दम, तू अमावस को कर दे पूनम। नेकी पर चलें और बदी से टलें, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ऐसे हो हमारे करम, नेकी पर चलें और बदी से टलें, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम।
Mankind's most precious asset is humanity. It is what we all should have in our personality. So, with this thought, Parithe is coming to express her views through a poem.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Parithi, of class 9th A, will recite a poem on humanity. Humanity isn't a race, it's not a people or a person. It's something you ask yourself. Humanity is a question. Will you give? Will you sacrifice? And most importantly, will you play the game fair? We can try to answer this question on our own, but without faith in each other, we will spend our lives lonely seeking alone. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
We are humans. If we see others enacting a good thing in their life, we will definitely try to enact that thing in our own life. So let us know about some legendary people in the field of humanity.
Hello everyone, I am Mayank from class 9th A. Today I am going to tell you about Claricia Harlow Barton, known as Clara Barton. She was one of the most honored women in the American history. During the Civil War, Clara Barton, a recording clerk, was appalled by the conditions under which the soldiers were treated after being wounded in the war, and decided to take matters into her own hands. By the end of the war, she was called the Angel of the Battlefield, and her voice, as the soldiers were affectionately known, sung her praises far and wide. Barton risked her life to bring support and supplies to the soldiers in the battlefield during the Civil War. She has founded the American Red Cross in 1881 at the age of 59 and played a crucial role in shaping the organization. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Well, humanity is a good topic to discuss, but let us also know some information of current timings from Kanak.
Good morning everyone. Today, Iconic of class 9th A is going to share some information about COVID-19. 8 European countries include COVID shield in green pass. COVID cases in Europe up after 10 weeks of decline. The director of AIMS, Delhi, Dr. Randeep Guleria on Thursday said that there is not much data available on the Delta plus variant to suggest that it is more effective or has a higher rate of mortality. If people are careful in India and is able to vaccinate a large amount of population, then the third wave of COVID-19 pandemic may not even come, said All India Medical Science Institute Director Dr. Randeep Guleria on Thursday.
For everything, it is important to have a thought. So, let's see what is the thought for humanity.
Good morning. Stephen Hawking said that we are very, very small, but we are profoundly capable of very, very big things. This is the thought of the day. Thank you.
So, let's end our today's morning assembly with D.A.V.
शान्ति अन्तरिक्षः शान्ति पृथिवी शान्ति रापः शान्ति रोषधयः शान्ति वनस्पतयः शान्ति विश्वरे देवः शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्ति सर्वब्रह्म शान्ति शान्ति देव शान्ति सामा शान्ति रेधियो
अविरल निर्मल सलिल सदय ज्ञान प्रदायिनी ज्योतिर्मय हो चहु दिशि उद्घोष अभय D.A.V जय जय D.A.V जय जय प्रबल प्रवाहमयी नित नूतन जीवनदायिनी सदा सनातन वेद प्रणीता परम पुनीता हे धारा अक्षय D.A.V जय जय D.A.V जय जय दयानंद से प्रेम भक्ति ले हंसराज से त्याग शक्ति ले धर्म भक्ति का राष्ट्र शक्ति का हो दिन मान उदय D.A.V जय जय D.A.V जय जय सुख समृद्धि इसकी लहरे प्रेम शांति इसके तट ठहरे सघन शांतिमय प्रबल क्रांतिमय लिए अटल निश्चय D.A.V जय जय D.A.V जय जय